I think many developing countries are inspired or have been inspired by the research model from Europe and from North America. However, there is a reality check. For example, country of Nigeria, the government said by 2020 we're going to have 20 world-class universities. But in a country where professors are moonlighting for meet basic living and also with the constant power shortage, and this inspiration could be quite challenging. So I just want to bring you back to the reality many developing countries are facing when they talk about the research. So that comes to my next point, that is many developing countries, when they're talking about this planning research, come to their mind is trade-off. And that is between creating new knowledge by investing hugely in cutting-edge technologies, or to invest in importing and adapting existing technology which could improve the quality of life and living standards. So this is a big issue for many policymakers in developing countries. Here I understand in Europe that this trade-off is mostly between whether you will have freedom to do fundamental research or you can do research transfer in order to create jobs and revenues. So there's a huge difference in that department. And that also leads to the relevance. When you make trade-off, you have to really think about the relevance. And this, when it comes to research, it involves us to think about how we can change our traditional research model and make it more inclusive. And I do believe that Europe has a role to play, and not because they are the region or part of the source for inspiration, but also they have accumulated the knowledge and the practice. And I think for the benefit of the future of Europe and for the countries in the Union, and it's very important that to reach out, to be more flexible, to be more open, and embrace this new world.